my fellow home bakers. How y'all doing today and what y'all know good, okay, on this beautiful Sunday evening. Today's date is February 8th when I made this video, and I hope it finds you very well. So the point of this video is to help my fellow home baker or stay-at-home mom who like to do all her own things, okay? If you have a small bakery business or you're learning and you're growing like me and lots of us out here, you need to have the right type of education to go along with what you are doing. And I am here to give you a nice little tip on where you can find your information on making bread. Okay, so if you know the brand King Arthur Flour makes lots of great products, okay, and you see them in every store just about, okay, and they also have a website, and I'm not affiliated with them, but you can go to their website and they have tons of information on there to help you out, okay. Not only can you shop and buy great products that they are selling, they also have an affiliate program, so if you want to add an extra coin to your pocket, it's up there, you can do that too. But for now, for bread making itself, they actually offer classes online, okay? And all you got to do is schedule them out and set up a date. And if you have any questions, you can call them, okay? Or send them an email. The classes are about $40 each, and they show you from beginner bread making all the way through. Now, it's not just for home bakers. They also have a section for professional baking. They actually speak the spoken terminology for bakers, okay, to help you out. And they have a section called Baker's Percentage. Now, as a baker like myself, you know you got to price out everything. You got to count your costs and all this other stuff so your business can make a profit, okay? So with this tool that they have, which I find it very helpful, and I hope you will too once you get on their website, it actually breaks everything down for you, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looked like, okay? Give me a minute. All right, everybody, so here we are. On King Arthur's page, you scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're going to click on flour sales, and then you're going to click on reference, and this is what's going to bring you to the Baker's Percentage page. As you can see, this is where we are. And so this is going to show you guys not only how to help you price, but it's going to help you formulate. Isn't that awesome? Okay. And like I said, bread dough is different from cookie dough or any other kind of dough, I like to think, even though they're very similar, because you got to weigh everything out, you still got to price everything. But this is going to help you speak the language, okay, the official baker's language. Now, I find this to be something that is more that can be more useful for us home bakers. But I believe when they made this page, and if I'm wrong, somebody correct me, I think they pretty much made this formula or these reference pages for professional bakers, okay? But baby, this is what we're learning and growing to be, so why not? It's only going to help you grow, right? So as we scroll, you can see it's going to show you how to compute the percentages into formulas, right? It tells you exactly how to do it straightforward, okay? So these are just the basic ingredients for basic white bread, like for your typical white bread, okay? These are examples. Now your weights may be different, so this is just for examples only, so it shows you how to do the math and make it make sense. So we're going to scroll down, right, and it's literally showing you how to make the formula, okay? This is how you do it. So someone out there is going to have an aha moment. You're going to pull out your calculator and you're going to do these calculations for yourself with your own pricing and your own weights, and you're going to see exactly what these percentages are going to come out, and you're going to go, oh, I get it. Absolutely. That's the whole point. So we're going to go further down, and you see it shows you, they're showing you how to do pounds from percentages as well. Okay, and you're going to go further down and it's going to show you how to recalculate your right? And it has all the simple math to go behind everything, you guys. Like this isn't nothing hard per se. Once you see it and you do it, it is so simple, and it's very easy to do. Okay, so essentially the issues that we may have been having before, this should help you out a whole lot. It definitely helped me. And see what it says here is breaking down the percent and the preferments. See what I mean? Yeah, so you guys just jump on this website and go. I'm gonna show you where to go back to. Go to the bakery flour sales, and click that tab, and then click over to reference to get to this page right here. Get you a notebook, write stuff down, make you a hard copy, save the page, do whatever it is that you need to do to make sure that you are doing things correctly. And this is definitely a learning experience for me, and I thought I'd share it with you. So hopefully it did you some good, and if it does, give me a like, give me a follow, let me know what you think and how you feel. Will you be using this? Was this really helpful to you? And make sure you share out this video. I really appreciate everything that you guys have done thus far, and make sure you keep it going. I love you for watching, and till the next time, y'all, peace out.